Hi everyone, in this video we will show you Roblox steal a Brainrot tutorial. One of the smartest tricks is to use two accounts. One as your vault to store all your valuable items and the other for robbing with nothing important on it. This way you can raid freely without worrying about losing anything. It works on PC, phone or console, to do it at your own risk since rules can change. Avoid wasting money on shop items like 2x lock, flying carpet, black hole slab, ban hammer, or H admin commands. The only ones somewhat worth it are double money and VIP. Before your rebirth, transfer your items to your vault account. After rebirthing, just move them back. This helps you progress without any risk of losing your gear. Use a private server and let your ALT sit idle to watch for rare item spawns. When something valuable appears, switch to your main and grab it. Just before the shop timer reset, hop into a private server to get first access to legendary and mythic items. Traps are underrated. You can place up to 3 and anyone caught in them will be stuck for 10 seconds, perfect for catching people off guard. The P launcher is super powerful. It scrambles controls, making enemies unable to move. Use it when you're inside someone's space and the timer is low, hit them, grab an item, and escape. The speed coil is also essential. It lets you move faster, making raids and escapes easier. Most players ignore it, but it's worth using. Each rebirth unlocks more pay slots. The more you rebirth, the more floors you get, so you can expand your loot storage upward. Once you're high level, ignore legendary pets. Only go for mythics since they're far more useful. When joining a server, keep respawning until you land near the item spawner. That way, you'll get the drop faster and secure them first. Play with friends to get a friend boost. It helps speed up progress and gives better loot opportunities. If an enemy space is unlocked and they're distracted, sneak in and take what you can. It's cheap and often worth it. Which for Blood Moon events, they upgrade pets automatically and give you a major advantage. Finally, if someone with good loot is too far across the map, don't waste time. Just keep rejoining until someone valuable spawns near you. Much easier for a success steal. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.